In this video, we look into the concepts of offset, fetch. First of all, let us see top. Let us consider the class table. The class table here. It has got the columns ID, student, subject, and marks. Select star all basics, BBO class. SQL basics is the database name. Like from here, we have 10 students, 10 IDs. Two students A and B, and subjects are physics, chemistry, biology, social, maths. These are the marks each student got in those subjects. Let us say we want the top 5 marks of this class. What are the top 5 marks? 93, 83, here is one more 83, and then after that we have 76, after that we have 68. So top 5 marks should be 93, 83, 83, 76, that it will be 67. So if I say like top 5 are from SQL basics dot PO dot class. Let's see what this returns. Select top 5 star. So we got 93, 83, 42, 76, 67. These are not the top 5 marks that we are expecting, because there is one more 83 and there is 68 we are seeing in that. Here 42 is not in the top 5 marks, 57 is also not in the top 5 marks. You see that class table. So 93, 83, 83, 76, 68 are the top 5 marks. So top 5 star as it should be used with the order by clause. So if I copy this again, say order by marks descending. So if I say order by marks descending, then we'll have the top mark in the beginning and then next second highest mark in the next position. So it will be in the descending order. Then we can say top 5 from that descending order. If I execute this now we got 93, 83, 83, 76. So we have to use order by along with top 5 star. If I want to get only the top 5 student or subject, I can say select top 5 subject from SQL basics dot BBO dot class order by marks descending. So instead of taking all the columns here, I'm just taking subject, the column subject. So if I select and execute this now, I got physics, chemistry, maths, and chemistry maths. So physics, chemistry, maths are the top 5 subjects, because if you see in the top 5 star, we got physics, chemistry and maths. Because the chemistry and maths has come here, it is so if we say top 5, so chemistry and maths is descending. So now let us see if we can get these distinct. So I say select error out, let's show the error distinct, say distinct top 5 subject from SQLBasics.dbo.class order by marks descending. So if I execute this, it should error out now. The order by items must appear in the select list. Select distinct is specified. So order by item is marks. So this should appear in the select list. So if I say copy this, top 5 marks. So let us see, before executing this, let us see what we got here. Top 5 star. We got 93, 83, 83, 76, 60. Now if I say top 5 marks, order by marks descending, and I am saying distinct. Distinct marks means this 83 and 83 are the same, so this won't repeat. So what is the next number after 68? We'll get that next mark after 68. I think it should be 67. So if I see the class, there is 67. So that should show up here, like distinct 5 marks. So 93, 83, 76, 68 and 67. So that's how you can use distinct with top 5, but this the column that is coming in the select list should be in the order by list. Now let us look into offset. Offset identifies the starting point to return rows from result set. So let us take this query, select star from SQL basics dot dbo dot class order by marks descending. So if I select this, we got these 93, 83, 83, 76 and 68. Now if I want the rows starting from this third record, so the first two records 93 and 83 shouldn't show up, then what should I have to say? Let me copy this again to show it as a different statement, and offset 2 rows. So these first 2 rows shouldn't show up, and it should show up from the third row. So if I execute this, it started from 83, 93 and 83 are gone. So 83, 76, 68. So first 2 rows are gone. Out of 10 rows is showing up only 8 rows. So offset 2 rows has removed the first 2 rows. Now we removed the first 2 rows and got the next 8 rows. But I don't want the next 8 rows to show up, but I want to remove the first 2 rows and show up only the next 3 rows. So then we can use the fetch statement. Fetch returns a certain number of rows. So if I say select star from SQL basics dot class order by marks sending and then offset 2 rows, but fetch next 3 rows only. Now if I execute this, so I got 83, 76 and 68, because see this query returned is 8 rows. 83, 76 and 68 are the first 3 rows. So we are asking offset 2 rows and fetch next 3 rows only. Next 3 rows will be these 3 up to 68. So this has given us 83, 76 and 68. Now if I want to get only the first 3 rows, select star from SQL basics dot bbo dot class order by marks descending and then offset 0 rows, fetch next 3 rows only. So if I execute this now, so we got very first 3 rows 93, 83 and 83, and we can do other manipulations too, but by getting a distinct, I have shown you here a distinct of 5 marks, and you can combine these and then try it out how to limit the records in various situations. So that is how we can use this top, offset and fetch keywords to limit the data to the minimum amount of records. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. For notifications on upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon.